What is phishing? Phishing is a cyber attack where criminals trick you into giving away sensitive information. They often use fake emails, messages, or websites that look real but aren't. You might click on a link thinking it's from your bank or a trusted company. Look for signs like misspelled URLs, urgent language, or requests for personal info. Always double-check before clicking links or entering your information. Stay safe online by being aware of phishing scams. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.